Assalamu alaikum to all guys. I hope you all doing good and alhamdulillah I am also fit as fiddle. Let's talk about gender today, masculine and feminine. So here we go guys. Father, you can say the mother. The opposite of like masculine is father, feminine is mother. Then son, daughter, brother, sister, man, women, shepherd, shepherds, rooster, hen, dog, bitch, bull, cow, drone, bee, gender, goose, stage, hen, gentleman, lady, count, counts, husband, wife, lord, lady, king, queen, monk, nun, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, wizard, witch, herd, owl, drac, duck, lion, lions. Thank you for the watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.